Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x803f800a on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to clear the Microsoft Store cache, and this usually fixes the problem. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store application, and we have a command line for you. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit Enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.